Building a chatbot for your business, ManyChat and Chatfuel are the two biggest players, but they're not the same. Today, we're breaking down which one you actually need: features, pricing, ease of use, and real-world performance. Hit that like button and let's get into it. Quick rundown. ManyChat focuses on Instagram and Facebook Messenger, automation think e-commerce, lead generation, and marketing funnels. Visual builder, tons of templates, and SMS integration. Chatfuel is more AI-powered, handles complex conversations, supports WhatsApp Business better, and works great for customer support and frequently asked questions bots. Both build bots without coding, but they solve different problems. Ease of use. ManyChat's drag-and-drop builder is super intuitive. You can build a bot in minutes, perfect for beginners. Pre-made templates for abandoned carts, welcome messages, you name it. Chatfuel also has a visual builder, but it's more flexible for custom logic and AI responses. Slightly steeper learning curve, but way more powerful for complex workflows. Winner? ManyChat for beginners. Chatfuel for advanced users. Platform support. ManyChat covers Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, SMS, and WhatsApp. Their Instagram integration is flawless, comment automation, story replies, DM triggers, perfect for social media marketing. Chatfuel does Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp Business really well, but Instagram support is limited. If WhatsApp is your main channel, Chatfuel's your pick. Winner? ManyChat for Instagram, Chatfuel for WhatsApp. AI and automation. ManyChat uses rule-based automation, keyword triggers, buttons, quick replies, great for predictable flows like sales funnels and lead magnets. AI features are basic. Chatfuel has built-in NLP, natural language processing. It understands intent, handles open-ended questions, and learns from conversations. Way better for customer support where people ask random questions. Winner? Chatfuel for AI-powered conversations. ManyChat for structured marketing funnels. Pricing. ManyChat starts free for up to 1,000 contacts. Pro plan is $15, month affordable, and scales with your audience. SMS costs extra. Chatfuel also has a free tier, but the business plan starts at $15, month for 500 conversations, then jumps to $50 plus as you scale. More expensive long term. Winner? ManyChat for budget-friendly scaling. Integrations. ManyChat integrates with Shopify, Google Sheets, Zapier, email marketing tools, basically everything. Built for e-commerce and marketing automation. Chatfuel integrates with CRMs, payment gateways, and APIs, but fewer native integrations. You'll need Zapier or custom code for advanced setups. Winner? ManyChat for plug-and-play integrations. Bottom line. Choose ManyChat if you're doing Instagram marketing, e-commerce, or need simple, fast automation with tons of templates. Choose Chatfuel if you need AI-powered conversations, WhatsApp business support, or complex customer service bots. Both are powerful, it just depends on your use case. That's ManyChat versus Chatfuel in 2025. Links and free trials are in the description. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and drop a comment which one are you using. Catch you next time.